Hey, number 12, got y'all fixed up, man. And this fixes the voltage issue by far. This fixes it perfect, man. Perfect. Alright, here's the new switch right here, okay? Basically, low tap, 17.6 volt float. High tap, 20 volt float, okay? 4 watt radio, 4 watts RMS, swinging about 18 to 20 watts PEP. Drop, 16.1 volts. RMS, 100 bird. Peak, about 450 peak. Alright, now watch this. It's a little hot on the voltage, right? Alright, 17.6 on the float. Now check this out. 13.6 to 14 volts. It was doing 14 just a second ago. 13.6. Well, it was doing like 14.1 before I did the video. Probably getting into the mic a little bit better. Oh dear. Oh dear. So you're at 13.8 to 14 volts. Now take a look at this. It don't take a lot away from your wattage either. RMS. Ooh, just a hair under 100. Peak, right there at 400. Look at that. And you're safe. Safe working voltage. So, what I would do if you're going to be running a small radio like I just did right there, run it on the low tap. If you're going to be driving a little bit harder, run it on the high tap. High, low. I kind of wish a lot of people would give this option to people more often, but I do know that it does confuse some on the widespread of things. It does confuse, I guess you can say, the more common user, because they really are not understand, you know, high tap, low tap type deals. So they try to just kind of keep them on the same, you know, one tap or whatever. But I myself like to give that option and just explain it to the user myself, because it gives them more control over the voltage and current, but mainly the big effect is the voltage, and gives them more control since it ain't regulated. So, alright, man, well, I talked to you about it, and you asked me to go ahead and put that switch in for you, so there we go. So we'll get the top put on this thing, man. If you can, man, put a little voltmeter on it or something. You can buy you one of them little circular voltmeters, man, and put it right here. Just drill a little hole and run the wires through there, and just solder the positive to the positive side, which is this side right here. That's kind of confusing. I got a red wire going over here to the negative side. But just follow the board. The wire coming from the board is the negative, okay, from the board. So that's the negative that comes right here. The positive, you follow the wire from the back of the transformer, is the positive. So right here. So this section right here that's closest to me is the positive. See, I've got that right there on the positive, okay? Just put your positive, negative, and just wrap a ferrite bead if you're able to. If you have one or can find one handy, when you put your voltmeter on there, that'll just let you kind of match where it'll let you match up whether you want to run on the high tap or low tap to keep the voltage safe. All right, man. Appreciate your patience, bud. We'll see you. 73rds.